Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. Respected teachers and dear students, it's my great honor to be here and to speak something in front of you. Dear students, first and foremost, I would like to thank with the bottom of my heart all the teachers who prepare you for this weekly cultural program. Secondly, I would like to thank all the students who participated in this English speeches program. The importance of English language is as clear as crystal, because it is the most spoken language in the world. It is the language of science and technology. It is the language of sport and international newspapers and so on. If you are discussing with a person and who is educated from a college, or whether he is uneducated, he will use definitely 60% English words in his speech. So there is no need to tell you the importance of English language. So today I am going to shed some light on 5 most important things that will help you in learning especially English language and in learning any other language and in learning in any skill across the globe. Number 1, if you want to learn English language and in any other language, first of all, set your mind. And do you know what is the meaning of set your mind? It means that, first of all, you should prepare for upcoming difficulties in learning that language. And it is essential because if a person has a mindset, a goal, and a dream, he can definitely get to it. For example, if a person is traveling and he knows its destination, he will definitely get to it. And if a person is traveling and he doesn't know its destination, it is impossible to reach its final destination. So therefore, first of all, set your mind if you want to learn this language and this greatest language. Number 2, practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes a man perfect, and without practice, no one can become great and fluent in any language. We have seen a lot of students, but most of the students that they have spent 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, and even 20 years while learning Arabic language, but they are not able to speak this language. Why? Due to lack of practice. As well as I have observed with my own eyes a lot of people, a lot of students who joined any 3-month English speaking course. After that, they are able to speak this language fluently because of a lot of practice. And it is a universal rule that the more will you practice, the more will you improve your skill, your language. It is simple philosophy and it is simple theory. So secondly, we should practice as much as you can. Number 3, there are 4 parts to learn any language. Number 1, speaking. Number 2, reading. Number 3, writing. Number 4, listening. The most important part of them is speaking skill. If you don't have speaking skill, whether you may be a great speaker, whether you may be a great scholar, you may be a great educated person, instead of it, you will be considered as an educated person. A lot of students say to me that when I speak, people and my colleagues, my friends laugh at me. So please note it down that if you want to do something in your life, you will have to become shameless person. It is their duty to laugh at you and to make fun of you. And it is your aim, it is your purpose to move forward in your life and to make your future bright. So please don't pay attention to them and pay attention to your life, to your future. Number 4, experiment. Experiment means not to be afraid while speaking. Because when you speak English language, everyone appreciate you. No one judge you. So when you speak English language, not be afraid of anyone. Number 5, believe. Believe in yourself. Whenever you get any opportunity, believe in yourself. Speak as much as you can. And it is a universal rule. People will believe in you when you yourself believe in yourself. So first of all, believe in yourself. And at the end, I would like to request you to give your input. It is said that if you give your input, you will be able to receive your output. You will have to give your input. You will have to efforts. अगर आप efforts करेंगे, मेहनत करेंगे, वर्क हार्ड करेंगे तो आउटपुट हासिल करेंगे, और इनपुट अपना नहीं दोगे तो फिर आउटपुट हासिल करना इम्पॉसिबल है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल हैव टू गिव योर इनपुट. आपको एफर्ट्स करने पड़ेंगे, आपको हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा अपने फ्यूचर को ब्राइट करने के लिए. एंड इट इज सेड दैट द बेस्ट वे टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ, टू मेक योर सेल्फ, टू पुट योर सेल्फ इन अनकम्फर्ट जोन. अगर आप अपनी ज़िंदगी के अंदर कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो आपको अपने को कंफर्ट जोन से निकाल कर अनकम्फर्ट जोन के अंदर डालना पड़ेगा. सो I am going to end up my speech with this English expression, rest is rust. It means that जब तक आप अपनी ज़िंदगी के अंदर कुछ बन ना जाएं, उस वक्त तक आपके लिए आराम करना हराम है. Rest is rust. Thank you so much. I am going to wind up my speech with these words. Wa akhir da'wan alhamdulillah.